We provide an alternative to the OEM. I think we do it better, we do it faster, and we do it in a way that helps our customers and our clients save a lot of money.
We do a complete tear down. We remachine them back to factory OEM specs. Piston rings, liners, bearings, all the wearable parts in the engine are replaced with brand new parts.
We were just acquired by Alliant Power. With the joining of these two companies, I think this is going to catapult us to a new era.
Capital Reman was the next step for us to bring a complete package together for heavy-duty industry.
We remanufacture the engine. Alliant has an expertise in fuel and air. You marry those two pieces together, and you don't need to be shopping around at 5, 6 different places anymore.
To provide premium fuel systems, premium turbochargers, and other engine parts, all in a package. And now we're integrating it with heavy-duty engines.
And people are going to realize there's a lot better alternatives than going direct to the OEM and dealer.